Hey there. In this video, I'm going to compare the Xiaomi Scooter 4 with the Scooter 3, and we are going to look on what are the main differences. So first thing first, when we're going to look here, the power is the same, the travel range is better for 4, speed is same, climb same, braking system is better for 4, you're going to have dual pad disc brake there, tire is better for 4, charging time 4, the capacity is the same, weight is better for 3, you're going to have a lighter one. Max load is better for 4 by 10 kilos. The age, the height is better. The frame material I couldn't get it for 4, but so can say. Foldability is 3-step folding, that's better, easier. Dashboard is tie, speed modes 4, you can have slightly faster pedestrian mode. Then you're gonna have the battery management same. For the energy recovery headlight and taillight, I couldn't get the information there, so can't really say which one is going to be better, but primarily I think it's going to be similar. And then you're gonna have IP rating is the same. So based on the information that I got, as you can see here, there isn't just that much difference between the 3 and 4. Yes, you're gonna have the travel range, which is better. Then you're gonna have the tires for 4. Primarily you're gonna have better charging time and better max load. But still, maybe if you're gonna look on more for the headlight, energy recovery for the tail light, and for also for the frame material, maybe the 4 is going to be better in this regard. So I just want to make this quick video. I hope I gave you a little bit of value. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.